I want to show you something while I'm taking it apart. Got these nice mirror blank off plates here. Very clean, very classy. This hardware is different than what you can buy. What you can buy will have silver hardware, but it'll be recessed, so it's really nice. But you can buy those on eBay from your boy and give me some money. Hey, thank you. In case anyone's wondering how to remove this bolt, the correct way is to get the proper bit for it. These are called, I believe they're called like Torx security bit. I'm trying to get this stupid thing to focus. There you go. So it's got that little nipple in the middle to prevent you from using a more common either Torx or Allen bit. I have one of those at my old place. Don't have one here. I don't want to reuse this bolt because this is not convenient shit for race bike stuff. So it goes over there. But I just used a left-hand drill bit to get it out. Just catches on that little nipple in the middle and then just like rips it on out. So pro tip there. Just took off my radiator guard cover thingy and check this out. Apparently that's what track riding does. That's just all chunks of rubber from either my tires or someone else's. I don't know, but isn't that gnarly? There's so much in there. Oh my god. I guess no radiator guards because it had the radiator guard had like a fat wad in there too. Probably not great for cooling. I mean, neither is that, but at least it's easier to brush off if you don't have a radiator guard. I don't know, maybe race boys don't run them, maybe they do. We'll see. All right, we've done it. We have more or less stripped the bike. I think this plastic piece needs to come out still, but I don't quite know how to do that, and we'll get there. But yeah, I think the next thing we're gonna work on here is getting that mocked up, the front cowling, because it needs repair. I got it for a smoking deal because it's kind of broken. So I'll have to mount that up, and then we'll be doing some fiberglass work to fix that up. But yeah, thumbs up, good times, good vibes.